So this is cool. Check this out. This is how information travels within the Roofing Insights community. We made a video at Acme just like two weeks ago. Now we come in here and we see this. You really like that idea?
Yeah, my production manager actually had her come in and watch the class. She came in here. You can still see the stickiness on from where the tape used to be. She came in here, she's like, we're doing that. We color coded it. She went on Amazon, she ordered the stickers. She loved everything about it. The board's probably gonna look a little bit different than the way that his did, but the concept behind it's great.
You just got started, and it was a private content and in the roofing business school. We did not publish that on YouTube, and we do a lot of content like that. When we go to companies, when we see something very cool, we're like, you know what, this is private.
Yeah.
It's not YouTube content. So our school has a lot of cool information, and you probably don't know what it is, but this is exactly from the school. I love it.